Hello friends, welcome to another video of Chartmojo. So guys, today we have seen a gap up opening on Nifty, and if I show you 5-minute time frame chart, here we can see Nifty was stuck in a very small side range. Now we were expecting some up move. There was a gap up opening. We were expecting 600 and 700 level. Now the market opened directly at 600 level. After that, we have seen a consolidation within a very small range. And because of this consolidation, we have seen the counter which we have selected, FNO counters which we have selected. They both have given us a breakout, but momentum was lacking on those counter. Okay. Now, positionally, both of the counter are placed very well. There can be continuation of move. If someone have done intraday, then it might have been on a neutral side kind of a trade on those counters. Now, for making view for the next trading session, still we will go with an upside. Okay, we will join hands with the upside trend, and we will like to pick two FNO counter. Okay, on the upside you can see a Ramco and BHEL which we have picked up. BHEL is a reversal kind of a setup. Okay, and talking about Nifty level here. Okay, so today's high is now a very important level. Okay, and it is at 18640. So on spot, if we clear 18640 in the next trading session, then I would like to play for 18700. Okay, and 18750. This two level we would like to play if 18640 is taken out. If there is a fall, now here is an interesting take on the current price action. Okay, if there is a fall from here, and that is with a gap down opening, then there is a possibility that market might try to hit 18500 level and fill this gap area. If on next trading session market even goes below 18500, then that will become a very negative signal, but we are not hoping that market might try to do something like that. So we will keep an possibility open for gap filling, but our bias will be on a long side, on upside. So mark the level for downside trade, that is 18580 level. Okay, if market breaches 18580 level, then definitely there will be an attempt for 18500 level to be seen on the chart. So guys, now looking at Bank Nifty chart, let me go to the daily time frame, and here we can see similar structure like Nifty. Gap up opening, then Bank Nifty went sideways, though it hit our level which we were expecting, 44500 level. Okay, once it breached 44250, so today it opened at 44250 level, and then we can see 44500 achieved in intraday, and it then went sideways. So Nifty has formed a doji kind of pattern. Here also it has formed a you can say a shooting star kind of pattern. Uh, to take this signal now, this signal right now we can take it as a neutral signal, but also we will take it as a positive signal of today's candlestick pattern. Why? Because there is a gap up opening. So this breakout is supported by gap which we call as breakaway gap. Plus we can see a doji candle. Now this is not a very bullish sign, but we can at least say that it is on a positive sign. Okay, it's on a it's giving a positive signal. Now if we see a gap down opening or a breach below today's low, then it might come down and fill this gap area. A closing below this gap area similar to Nifty will be a very bearish indication. It also indicate a kind of breakout failure. Okay, so we do not want previous day high, okay, or you can say previous day gap level, okay, to be breached by the next trading session. Now that is very important, otherwise we will definitely see some reversal here as well. Now hoping for the best here, and again our bias is on the upside. We would like to remain with the trend. So now if you want to go long in Bank Nifty, wait for 44500. and then you can play for 44,800 on the upside. Downside, as of now, wait for the gap level to be filled and then take a trade. You can do bearish trade on Nifty rather than Bank Nifty. So here we can see Dow chart. It is holding up the higher level, and today's trading session will decide whether this this pullback was a success or not. So we should see a good long green candle. If Dow breaches 33,700 level, okay, then it will be a very positive sign for the other markets, and definitely then it will help Nifty, and we can see Nifty also giving a gap up kind of a opening. Now going to the Brent is not giving any major signal here. Let us go to Ramco Cement. Now this is our first FNO counter. Okay, if I see Ramco Cement chart, I can see a flag pattern kind of built up. Though the breakout is not clear, I will say wait for the breakout, and breakout is near at 890 level. Okay, wait for 890 level. If it goes above 890 level, then you can play here. Okay, positional target are quite large here, near about 80 points, but for intraday we should look at 920 to 925 level. Now if you can see this chart, okay, let me squeeze this little bit. Okay, and here you can see there is a consolidation on Ramco Cement chart, and this support will now act as a resistance. If you remember, yesterday we were talking about Nalco, and Nalco have cleared that resistance in today's trading session. Here we can see that this support will now act as a resistance when counter reaching to 920 to 925 level. So those who are playing for intraday can play till this level. Let us look at other counter, which is BHEL. Now this is also an interesting counter. BHEL right now consolidating in a sideways structure. Here we can see today there was a good move, okay, and it breached the consolidation, but we can see a sharp reversal from the bottom, and 83.5, okay, 83.5 is a this breakout level of this current sideways consolidation, which I can see here, and major breakout level you can see near about 88 rupees. So 83.5 level, if counter goes above this, then definitely we will play for 88 level, and if it breaches 88, then I can expect 95 level. But for intraday I will like to play the setup till 88. So these are the two FNO counter which you can look for the next trading session, or you can mark the level whenever these counter breaches the certain level which we have discussed, then you can take action on them. So guys, this is it for the video. If you're liking our content, then do hit the like button. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. Till then, take care. I will meet you in the next video.